Do you have bad habits that you need to exterminate from your life? These habits are holding you back. And you know in your heart, if you exterminate these bad habits, you will be so much further in your life. What's up, it's Gene, your coach and motivator. This is inGENEious Motivation, and I'm here to help you to believe that you are worthy to be great. See, a lot of us have bad habits we're not dealing with. So therefore, those bad habits are dealing with us. They're keeping us from going after our goals. They're keeping us from going after our dreams. And we're frustrated because we're not making the progress that we want in life. But if we want to exterminate those bad habits, we have to focus on cleaning those bad habits out of our lives by taking the necessary actions. Several years ago, I was talking to one of my good friends. He said, Gene, I'm about to get fired from my job. I say, why? He said, man, I'm always late. And not only that, I'm spending less time with my kids. I said, what is causing this? He said, man, I can't stop oversleeping. I said, you oversleeping? Don't you be setting your alarm at night before the morning? He said, I do, man. I set my alarm to get up in the morning. But the problem is, man, I have my phone on my bed. So instead of me getting up, I hit that snooze button. I go back to sleep. So I asked my friend this. I said, man, do you think you can make this one little change? He said, what's that? Instead of having your phone in your bed, put it over there on your dresser, or maybe put it on the floor and let it charge. So when that alarm go off, you have to get out the bed in order to turn the alarm off. He said, Gene, that's a good idea. I said, man, just do it for about a week or so and see how it goes. So my friend started to, put his phone about 10 feet from his bed. And when it started going off, because he had to get out the bed to turn the alarm off every day, it caused him to get out of bed when he was supposed to. And all he did was make a small change so he can exterminate that bad habit out of his life. See, a lot of you have bad habits that if you made a small change, you can exterminate that habit from your life. Now, I don't know what your habit is, only you do, but I want to give you certain things that can help you to start to exterminate that bad habit from your life. Now, number one, you want to write down what that habit is for you. Be honest with yourself. What is the bad habit that is causing you the most frustration in your life? And the second thing you want to do is you want to eliminate the convenience of the habit. You see, my friend, his convenience was having his cell phone in his bed. And because that cell phone was in his bed, he can conveniently hit that snooze button. But when he removed the convenience and he had to get up and turn the phone off, therefore it was a lot easier for him to start breaking that bad habit. So whatever your habit is, whatever that allows it to become a convenience in your life, you want to eliminate the convenience. And the last thing you want to do is you want to come up with a new habit, a positive habit that is doable, that is easy, that you can do consistently. You see, my friend could walk over there and turn that phone off every day because it was something that was doable for him. It was something he could be consistent with. And not only that, he didn't want to have to sit in bed and listen to that alarm going on over and over again. So whatever your bad habit is, I want you to come up with a positive habit that you can do on a consistent basis, because what you're doing is you reprogram your mind with the positive habit by initiating it in your life. So if you want to exterminate the bad habit in your life, you have to take these little small action steps that's going to help you to exterminate it. Because if you don't do so, you will keep engaging in that habit and keep getting the results that you're getting in your life right now. So I want to encourage you to exterminate the bad habit from your life, because you are worthy to be great.